Welcome guys back to the channel. It's your guy Mighty Gideon, and in this video today I'll be growing this account from $20 to $2,000 trading forex step by step to a mighty height. Follow me as we do this to something very massive. So currently we took our buy on XUSD at this very point. We enter with 0.05, let's start into 2. At this very point we enter the buy because this trade was creating a more falling flag at this very point. Whenever you see a falling flag always breaks out and buy massively to a mighty high. So currently let me delete all this stuff and show you what happened at this very point. So currently we mapped out the very zone as a very strong support level at this point it was creating, and also you map out the very strong zone as a very strong resistance zone that it was creating at the very point. So this is creating a falling flag, and whenever a falling flag is created, note the trade will buy from this very point. You just measure the very zone from here to here. That is what it did in the past. Measure the very zone from here to here, and the trade will buy to this very zone. So this trade is going to buy to that very zone. So currently from here we're currently up in profit, and I'm closing our trade in profit at the very point. I've closed the position at the very point. I'm currently up in $100.21 at the very point. Currently we enter on the next step because the overall trade is bullish, and currently we're going to carry the very buy. The reason why I close the trade is to gather more capital to elevate to something very massive and more to a mighty height. At the very point we'll be increasing outside the 0.10 loss at the very point, and we're entering two buys. Our target is from $20 to $2,000 to a mighty height. At the very point we're entering two buys at the very point because the trade is overall bullish, and we're expecting the trade to buy massively continually and reach our target to a mighty height at the very point. I'm going to make this video very quick for you to see that in trading what you need is just to understand how to trade, and you can deposit any amount and flip it to a mighty height as I'm doing now. So currently let's see what XUSD has for us to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively and giving us huge profits to a mighty at the very point. Currently I'm closing our trade in profit, close up push at the very point. Currently we're up in $304.38 at the very point to a mighty height. With a balance of 304.38 at the very point, we're buying more XUSD just now because it's so down from here. We enter and buy massively because there's a very strong zone at the very point. There's a very strong support level at this very point. So at the very point I'm buying with 0.2 loss at the very point. I'll be buying at the very point on a 4 buys at the very point. So expecting the trade to buy massively and give us huge profit to your mighty at the very point. If you were, there's a very strong support level at this region. The trade is currently a bearish flag, which signifies a massive buy at the very point. We're expecting massive buy from the very zone. The trade is going to buy massively to the very overall point at the very point. And currently there's a very strong support level at this very point. It is currently retraced down to. So we ended our trade, and currently it is sold down massively at the very point. Currently we are entering our buys now to buy massively to your mighty. Let's see what XUSD has for us to something very massive. The main aim is from $20 to $2,000 to a mighty height. So guys, the trade is currently buying massively for zone. We entered on a sniper enter at the very point. We saw the trade to buy massively, and if you watch, this very trade was an overall bullish momentum, and I thought the trade is going to buy massively from the very zone. So the trade currently broke out from here. We tested at the very point, and currently is buying massively. Our target is from $20 to $2,000 at the very point. The trade bought massively at the very point. Currently I'm closing our trade in profit, close up position at the very point, and currently we are up in $1,841.30 at the very point to your mighty height. Let's take our last trade and flip the account to something very massive. So if you watch, you can see that the very trade was overall bullish at this very point. The trade was overall bullish. I said that the trade is going to buy massively to this very zone. So currently we entered our buys from this very point, and currently we entered our buys at this very support level at this very zone here, and the trade bought massively to a mighty height. Let's take our next trade to something very massive. So guys, with a balance of $1,841.30, we'll be entering our buy now on XUSD now for the trade to buy massively and give us its profits. So currently the trade is respecting the same zone. This is one setup I'm using to price the very challenge to a mighty height. Currently the trade have bought and retested at the very point. So currently I've been entering my buys with 0.10 losses. I've been entering buys now at the very point for it to buy massively and give us huge profit now to a mighty height. We're entering 3 buys for the trade to buy and to catch our trade now more from $20 to $2,000 and be elevated to a mighty height. So let's see what XUSD has for us. So currently I'm ability to buy massively from here. As currently the trade, see what the trade did here. The trade did very more sweet entries at this very point. You can see that the trade currently more respected this very zone, and now we've retested at this very point. So I'm ability to continue buying massively from this point. So guys, the trade took bought massively at the very point and going to up in 2,278 points something at the very point. Trade is currently giving us profit at the very point. You can see that the trade expected our setup to a mighty height, and if you watch you can see the trade is currently buying massively from this very point. You see the trade is going to retest this very zone. This just is a setup, one setup to pass the very challenge from $20 to $2,000. Just one setup, and currently trade bought massively at the very point, and I'm closing out trade in profit at the very point. Close up pushing at the very point. Currently we're up in $2,311.92 at the very point to a mighty height. You can watch, you can see that the very trade we expected the very setup. The main aim is for a continuation in buys, because this very setup is currently a falling flag, and falling flag always signifies bullish momentum to a mighty height. If you watch you can see that there's a very big zone here. You can see that there's a very strong zone. I say that it is going to respect at the very point. So currently it is currently broke out from this very zone and retested this very zone, and currently this is a continuation which signifies continuation in bullish momentum to a mighty height. And currently it is going to, this trade is going to buy massively to this overall zone here. The TP, if you want to measure the TP, you just map out the very zone here, then you measure this very zone, and currently this is the overall TP at the very point. That is the overall TP in this very zone at this very point. And if you want, this is also the same instance with what happened in the past year. You can see we measure this very zone from year to year, and now the trade bought massively to this very zone. The trade bought massively to this very zone. Our TP, our last TP was met at this very point. The trade bought massively to this very zone. You can see that what the trade did in the past. Mighty heights, we always go.